Have you ever wondered what it really takes for a smartwatch to stand out in 2025? In a world dominated by Apple Watches, Samsung Galaxy Watches, and endless fitness trackers, Garmin has been quietly building its reputation as the king of reliable fitness-focused wearables. And now, with the launch of the brand new Garmin Venu4, the company is proving once again that it knows how to blend style, fitness, and cutting-edge technology into one powerful device. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about the Garmin Venu for its features, upgrades, design, price, and why it just might be the best smartwatch of 2025 for both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the Venu4 deserves a spot on your wrist or if you should hold out for something else. Sleek design and display. The Garmin Venu4 was officially announced on September 17, 2025, and it's already making waves in the smartwatch community. Available in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, it's designed to fit comfortably on any wrist. Garmin continues its tradition of premium design, stainless steel bezel, slim but durable body, and a brilliant AMOLED display that looks crystal clear indoors, outdoors, and even under direct sunlight. This isn't just a sports watch anymore. It's a statement piece, health and lifestyle tracking, but the real magic lies under the hood. Of course, you get all the essentials like 24/7 heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, and SPO measurement. But Garmin takes things further with next-level sleep tracking that doesn't just tell you how long you slept. It shows how caffeine, alcohol, and daily habits affect your recovery. Add in lifestyle logging for hydration, caffeine, and alcohol intake. And suddenly you're seeing how your everyday choices impact your body in real time. This isn't just health tracking, it's life optimization. Fitness features and Garmin Coach. The Venu4 is packed with 25 built-in sports modes, from running and cycling to yoga and swimming. And for the first time, Garmin introduces Fitness Coach, an adaptive, AI-powered coaching system that evolves with you. Whether you're training for a marathon or just starting your fitness journey, the Venu4 gives you personalized workouts that adjust based on your performance, fatigue, and goals. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist. Smart features and battery life. One of the coolest surprises? A built-in LED flashlight, something you'll appreciate during late-night runs or when you just need quick light without grabbing your phone. Battery life is another area where Garmin crushes the competition. The 41mm lasts up to 10 days, while the 45mm stretches to 12 days. Even with the always-on display, you still get 3 to 4 days compared to just 1 to 2 days on most Apple Watches. That means more freedom, less charging, and yes, the Venu4 comes loaded with smart features: and-device, music storage, Garmin Pay, notifications, safety features like incident detection, and even accessibility tools such as spoken watch faces and color filters. Price and final verdict. Now the big question: price. The Garmin Venu4 starts at $549.99 or $599 with premium straps. Yes, it's pricier than the base Apple Watch, but remember, the Venu4 isn't just it's a serious health and fitness tool that doubles as a stylish everyday wearable. So is it worth it? If you're deep in Apple's ecosystem and just want notifications and basic fitness, stick with the Apple Watch. But if you want serious health insights, advanced fitness tracking, unbeatable battery life, and real lifestyle coaching, the Garmin Venu4 might just be the best smartwatch you can buy right now. To wrap it up, the Garmin Venu4 proves that Garmin can not only compete with the giants, but in many ways outperform them. With its gorgeous AMOLED display, powerful health features, long battery life, and thoughtful extras like the flashlight. This watch isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. So what do you think? Will you be picking up the Garmin Venu4, or are you waiting for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications here on GadgetVerse for more in-depth tech videos. This is just the beginning of the future of smartwatches.